Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. In this episode, we'll be drawing this fluffy cloud along with fireflies and my favorite moon and some star. So, as you all have watched my video from past 10 days, I was uploading ABCD Anybody Can Draw series. It's just a few elements here and there and bringing all the picture together. But today I decided maybe I should just go back to old school if you're into more in this type of tutorial, because one of the key reason I started off with my channel itself is to keep up my digital diary. So I thought I'll upload here and there of this type of video, and let me know in the comment, are you enjoying this video or you prefer ABCD itself. So as you know, we have already finished off with a rough sketch and we are going in depth with the sky, cloud, grass, fireflies, moon and star itself. So we'll be using a few set of brush here. Like here we are using coarse watercolor. I'll make sure the video or freeze during the tool when it is being showcased. So make sure you pause the video, follow exactly the settings and the rest, so to get the finished illustration however it is as of now. So just make sure you follow this tutorial, and especially there are a lot of questions why blending is not similar to what we are doing. So one of the key reason is also the flow, strength, opacity of the brush and also the size of the brush itself. So make sure you adjust according to your preference and do it in a very slow process. This video is mostly in 2x speed or 4x speed because I don't want to take up a lot of your time. So hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you in the end. If you have watched till the end, thank you very much for following up the tutorial. Let me know in the comment video, did you enjoy this video? Make sure to like, share and subscribe. There are many more videos coming up in this channel, so stay tuned for that. Till then, take care, goodbye and have a great evening. Bye bye.